Hi, and welcome to our kitchen at Govinda Valley. My name's Jahnavi, and today we're going to make cauliflower cheese. Now, this is a favorite comfort food for many, and I want to show you how to make it using only plant-based ingredients and with a little protein ingredient snuck in. On top of that, we're going to build in a side of fresh tomato sauce. Let's look at our ingredients. We've got cauliflower, we've got cheese sauce, and we've got our tomato sauce side. And the cauliflower, I've tossed that in a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to put that in the oven now at 180 for 10 minutes. For our cheese sauce, what we've got here is basically a deconstruction of all the flavors, textures, nutrients that we would find in our traditional milk and cheese. I'm using coconut cream and water as our milk foundation. Then we've got chickpea flour, which is going to give a protein and it's going to thicken the sauce. Tapioca flour is going to thicken it and it's going to give a slightly stretchy quality like real melted cheese. Then we're going to get sharpness of flavor from mustard, white pepper, salt, a pinch of turmeric just for color. And then for extra cheesy flavor, we've got nutritional yeast and a little bit of black salt. Now, black salt's optional, but if you have it, it will help to give a more cheesy flavor. And for our side of tomato sauce, it couldn't be simpler. I've got some finely chopped tomatoes here. I'm gonna toss that with a little bit of olive oil, some chili flakes, salt and sugar, and that's it. Once you have all your ingredients together, making it is a cinch. I'm gonna put all of the cheese sauce ingredients into the pot at once. Just gonna whisk that until it thickens and boils. And that is our cheese sauce, and it is almost cheese-like. Okay, so our cauliflower is a tiny bit golden, which is just perfect. And we're going to top that with our cheese sauce. I'm leaving a little bit of space on either side of the dish. That's for our tomato sauce. And if you put this on while it's hot, you'll get a beautiful, smooth spread on top, like so. And that's our cauliflower. And for our sauce on the side, we're going to toss these together. So our chili, salt, a little sugar, and olive oil. That just needs a quick mix. If you've got a fresh herb too, put some of that in there. And I'm going to spoon that on the side, like so. That's going to make itself. And now we're ready to bake. Okay. And here's our finished cauliflower cheese, and that's our sauce. I'm going to drizzle that with a little bit of olive oil and our sauce. And let's see how it tastes. That's gonna please any cauliflower cheese lover.